There's your airplane. Who's your airplane from? It's a present from who? Yeah, a present from Grandma and Pop. That's right. You got a pilot in your airplane. Can you show me how your airplane flies?
Yeah.
Can you show me how it flies? There it goes. Very good. That was very good, Ace. You want me to show you how you get it open? Alright, come here.
I can't get it.
Oh, you got it. Very good.
I got it.
Yeah, you got it. You got the pilot out of the airplane. Yeah. You get it closed? Then you put it back in. There you go. You gonna take off? Yeah. Take off. Fly in the sky. Can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah.
Here, look here. Look here at the phone and say thank you. You say thank you?
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good girl.